Amazon is a cool place, allowing online buyers to explore millions of products from virtually countless categories. If you are looking for something amazing, we've compiled for you the best coolest gadgets on Amazon. The collection of best gadgets on Amazon is sure to let you go sure of getting your hands on the best products available in the virtual world. In today's video, we will be showing you some of the craziest gadgets on Amazon. Without further ado, let's begin. Thermacell Patio Shield Mosquito Repeller. Thermacell Patio Shield creates a 15-foot zone of protection against mosquitoes. Ideal for patios, decks, pools, porches, camping, and more. No cords or batteries. Powered by a safe and compact 12-hour fuel cartridge. Included, repel without smoke, flames, or citronella. Not a messy trap or gimmicky sonic. Independently tested. EPA reviewed for safety and effectiveness. Repel mosquitoes without DEET sprays or lotions on your skin. No smoke, flames, or harsh odors like citronella. Enjoy max protection in 15 minutes. The device is compatible with all mat and fuel refills, including multi-insect repellent. The active ingredient is based on naturally occurring repellents found in plants. We've harnessed its power to fight the toughest mosquitoes on Earth. Igloo Reactor 24-can backpack. Enjoy ice-cold drinks on the go with the Igloo Reactor 24-can backpack. Designed with advanced insulation, it prevents food and drinks from warming, even during summer, so you can take the party with you everywhere you go. It'll even hold 24 cans to accommodate a large group. Moreover, the 24-can backpack features padded and adjustable shoulder straps for convenience and comfort. The sternum strap, padded back panel, and built-in top and side handles allow you to cart this with you on ventures. In fact, the compression-molded base grips keep the backpack in place while you walk for even weight distribution. Best of all, it won't allow water inside and discourages leaks, thanks to the leak-proof zipper, liner, and waterproof exterior, so you'll never experience spills when walking. Logitech MX Mechanical Mini Wireless Keyboard. Take your typing experience one step further on your Apple computer with the Logitech MX Mechanical Mini Wireless Keyboard for Mac. This keyboard is seamlessly compatible with non-Windows setups and is available in two amazing colors. These would be the space gray and pale gray option. Additionally, you can also customize shortcuts and accelerate creativity with Logi Options Plus. One of the key features of this keyboard is the tactile, quiet, low-profile switches. These make the typing experience quieter and more reliable. Another feature worth exploring is smart backlighting. This will allow you to stay in the flow in any light conditions. For multitaskers, you can connect up to 3 different Apple devices for macOS, iPadOS, or iOS with Easy Switch. Even while you work, you can still charge the keyboard with a USB-C cable. Anker Nano 3 iPhone Charger. Carry a 30W output iPhone charger with a super compact design. The Anker Nano 3 iPhone Charger. This charger measures only 1.12 inches thick and can charge all of your mobile devices, including the MacBook Air. Additionally, the charger comes with Active Shield 2.0. This technology safeguards your devices by intelligently monitoring temperature over 3 million times per day. It's a compact, narrow piece available in 5 bright colors. Carrying it around won't be difficult thanks to the pocket-friendly design. In fact, the fast charging capacity together with Active Shield 2.0 makes this charger a must-have for iPhone users. In fact, it's about 70% smaller than standard 30-watt chargers. Overall, you can use this iPhone charger conveniently in your day-to-day life. Blink Wired Floodlight Camera. Guard your home with light, sirens, audio, and more when you have the Blink Wired Floodlight Camera. This smart security camera boasts floodlights with 2,600 lumens of bright LED lighting, so you're sure to see what's going on outside. Plus, it has color night vision, as well as 5,000-degree Kelvin color temperature LEDs. Moreover, with 1,080 pixels HD Live View, it lets you hear, see, and speak to people or pets using the Blink app. Not only that, but you'll also love the super clear two-way audio feature. With enhanced motion detection, it alerts you thanks to its dual zone and customizable detecting ability. Additionally, it has a 105 decibels built-in siren that sounds whenever you want it to. Compatible with Alexa, it lets you use live view, arm, and disarm the device, and more with your voice. 2 Smart HD Video Baby Monitor. Add a sleek, stylish gadget to your little one's room. The Owlet Cam 2 Smart HD Video Baby Monitor. An update on the previous version, this second-gen device offers video clips, cry notifications, and predictive sleep technology. This technology helps you know when your baby will be ready for their next nap, considering their age and the time they've been awake and asleep. Just log your little one's sleep sessions and follow your baby's developmental stage to avoid encountering overtiredness. Simply use the connected Owlet Dream app, where you can access resources to learn about your baby's behaviors and needs. With cry notifications, it recognizes the difference between gassy grunts and distressed crying. Moreover, the video clip feature lets you see what your little one was doing before they began crying. That way, you know what they need. Chanson Royale Under-Sink Water Ionizer. Harness the power of medicinal water in your home and experience its healing effects. The Chanson Royale creates powerful antioxidant, anti-aging, hydrogen-rich, alkaline, antibacterial, and antiviral waters. It has hundreds of uses, and, aside from the health benefits, this water is delicious and silky smooth, and it never bloats and always satisfies. The Chanson Royale was created for the world's elites to have the absolute best in technology, luxury, and performance. Originally available only by custom order, it is now available to the public in limited supply. The Royale has an onboard, hospital-grade ultrafilter and available under-sink pre-filter to perfect the water before ionization. Molecule Air Pro. Ensure the air in your home is safe to breathe with the Molecule Air Pro Minimalist Air Purifier. It destroys a wide range of pollutants, viruses, and organic chemicals. That includes SARS-CoV-2, Hinny influenza, pollens, detergents, and more. What's more, this air purifier detects and eliminates pollutants in large rooms up to 93 square meters. That's thanks to the patented Picotech, which not only traps but destroys pollutants. Meanwhile, you can control the airflow with 2 Auto Protect modes that react to particles in Vox. Auto Protect Standard causes a higher fan speed to engage when sensors detect dirty air. Then the Auto Protect Quiet obliterates pollutants at appropriate nighttime levels. Even better, the new Day View feature gives you a bird's eye view of your indoor air quality from sunrise to sunset. Amazon All-New Fire TV Cube. Take your streaming experience up a notch when you use the Amazon All-New Fire TV Cube Alexa streaming box. This incredibly fast streaming media player boasts Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, so you get super smooth video without worrying about interference from other gadgets. Plus, its tri-band tech provides low latency, higher bandwidth, and wireless or wired connectivity. Moreover, the 4K Ultra HD quality offers cinematic experiences, as well as Dolby Vision, HDR, and Dolby Atmos audio support. You'll enjoy super resolution upscaling, which converts HD picture to 4K with incredible detail, contrast, and clarity. Furthermore, the 800 MHz GPU supports your gaming needs, and the octa-core processor is twice as powerful as the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Moreover, of course, you can use hands-free Alexa to control your TV, soundbar, and receivers.